So friends, this is our recipe for today. So I hope you like the video. If you like, hello friends, I hope you guys are doing great. So friends, let's talk about today's recipe. Today we are going to make instant air fried tandoori chicken wings. So instant because we won't be marinating these for a long time in the yogurt base marinade for tandoori chicken, but we will just spray a little bit of olive oil and add the spices and then air fry them. So let's start the process. So I have, you can use any spray. I have this olive oil spray, so I'll spray this. So what I did is I washed the chicken wings and I patted them dry with a paper towel. So if they are dry, they become crispy in the air fryer. So now I sprayed some olive oil, and then now we will use dry spices. We won't be using any yogurt, so I'll add a little bit of dry ginger powder, and then instead of the paste, because we want crispy chicken wings, so we will use the dry spices. And then I will use some ground cumin. So we will add the spices on both sides, and then I have this chaat masala. You can find this in any Indian grocery store. So this has like dry mango powder in it, so which makes it like tangy. So this gives a good flavor. So you need this if you want to use this recipe. So we'll add some chaat masala on both the sides, because I don't want to use any liquid like lemon juice or anything. So chaat masala is the alternative. And then we will add some okay, and then I have this garlic powder, so I'll add this garlic powder. So we'll add this on both sides. So you wanna coat the chicken wings. And friends, for the color we can use some paprika and a little bit of the Kashmiri red chili powder, which is not very hot but it gives a good color. So that's what we will use for the color. So that's paprika, and then I'll add some the Kashmiri red chili powder. We just want to sprinkle this a little bit, and then we want to add some dried coriander powder. This also gives a good smell, good flavor. So that's it, and then we will give it another spray of the oil so the spices stick on this side, and then I'll turn these over. One key ingredient in any tandoori chicken dish is dry fenugreek leaves, so I don't want to add those, but I have this kitchen king masala, so it has the fenugreek leaves in it. I will sprinkle this a little bit, and this will give a good tandoori flavor. And then again, like we did on the other side, we'll spray some oil so the spices stick. Okay friends, so I will preheat the air fryer at 360 degrees, and then we'll put these in the air fryer. Okay, let's start. So friends, the air fryer is preheated now, so I will spray some oil on the basket so that the chicken doesn't stick. It's always good to spray some oil. And then we will place our chicken wings. So I tossed them in the spices, and the reason I didn't add any salt is because the chaat masala has a lot of salt in it. So we just want to keep these in a single layer. So that's the only thing you have to pay attention to. And then we will air fry these for about 12 minutes at 375, and then you have to keep checking. So friends, while the chicken is air frying, we can prepare a dip for our wings. So for the tandoori wings, we'll use a little bit of Greek yogurt, and then I have some ready-made mint chutney. So it says shake it to wake it, so we'll give it a shake and then add this into the yogurt. So this is like a sweet and tangy chutney, and I'll also add a little bit of the chaat masala that we put on the chicken. So I'll add that, and we'll give this a mix, and we'll use this as the dip. Smells great. And if you want it a little sweeter, like a lot of people like the wings to be sweet, so you can add some jaggery in it, jaggery powder, and make this sweet. So that's it, our dip is ready. Okay friends, so our 12 minutes are almost over. So we will flip the wings over. We'll take a look and flip them over. They look great. So, and they smell amazing because of the spices. So we just have to flip them over. Okay, so I'll spray a little bit more oil on this side, and then we'll put them back in for another 10 minutes, and then we'll check them, and then we'll give them like a couple of minutes on 400 degree Fahrenheit to give the extra crispiness. Okay friends, so the 10 minutes are over. Let's take a look, and then maybe we'll give a couple more minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit if required. Okay, they look pretty good. So you can already see like the bone is exposed, so that means It's cooked evenly and they smell great. So I just want to give another minute on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay friends, so our wings are done. So let's plate them. So I like these wings with this dip that we made. And I did add a little bit of the jaggery. So the wings are pretty crispy. So this is a good way to have chicken wings if you don't have too much time to marinate them. So friends, this is our recipe for today. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.